Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to fit a picture in a PowerPoint slide. First, go to PowerPoint and create a new presentation or open an existing one. Then let's go to Insert and insert your picture. You can add a picture from your computer or insert an online picture. I will just go ahead and click on Online Picture and select and here I will select a random picture. Let's select this one, for example. Click on Insert. And now let's duplicate this slide. Just right-click on it and select Duplicate Slide. Now go back to the first slide, and the first way to fit a picture in a slide is to click on it and drag these points to the border of the slide. The second way, let's go to the second slide. The second way is to click on the picture and go to Format under Picture Tools, and then click on Crop and drag these handles to the borders of the slide. Now click on Crop again and click on Fill. Now the third way is, let's go to the third slide. The third way is you can copy this picture. Just right click on it and click on copy. Now we can delete it. And now right click on the background and click on background format or on format background and go to picture or texture fill, and here click on insert from clipboard. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!